I'm Samantha Sanavaratna. I'm a cookbook author and a food stylist and mama to Artie. This dark chocolate malt celebration cake is perfect for any special occasion. It is really fun being Artie's mom. Before I had a child, I used to feel nervous about the idea because it looked so hard. But it turns out that it's so much more fun than it is hard. I would say that I'm relatively patient and calm, so he definitely tests that, but I think we're evenly matched. We're a good team. There's a lot I like to do with Artie. We like to read books and go to the bookstore. That's a big one. We read a lot. And we like to snuggle. We spend a lot of time snuggling. Too much time snuggling, probably. That's why we're always late. Artie and I really like to eat ice cream. We like to walk around the park. We like to do everything. Everything with Artie is a milestone. Every day there are new words, and just last week he started saying, I love you. I mean, he says, alalu, but that is pretty meaningful to me. You can compare your child to a million other children and wonder, but I think he's been exactly how he's supposed to be, and it's been a pleasure to watch. He's a real joyful kid. I feel like I really lucked out. Artie doesn't help me bake yet, really. I mean, he kind of, we've tried a couple times, but he gets a little grabby. You know how little kids do. I hope Artie gets into baking. I have romantic visions of the two of us baking the afternoon away. But we'll see if he likes it or not. It's up to him. Spending time with Artie feels like a joyful celebration in itself, for me.